Hey gadget lovers, road warriors, and home handy people. Ever been stuck with a low tire digging through your trunk for a gas station air hose that's probably broken? We've all been there, but what if you could have a reliable portable air source ready to go anytime, anywhere? That's where a good portable tire inflator comes in. It's a true car accessory lifesaver. Today we're counting down the top 5 portable air compressors on Amazon based on reviews, features, and pure value. We're breaking down who each one is perfect for, and a quick but important reminder. Using the links in the description below doesn't cost you a single extra penny, but it does support our channel by giving us a small commission from Amazon. It's a win-win that helps us keep bringing you these detailed guides. Let's get your tires pumped up. Starting us off at number 5 is the AstroAI Portable Air Compressor. This is your classic no-fuss plug-and-play workhorse. It runs directly off your car's 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, so you never have to worry about charging a battery. It's incredibly affordable and packs all the essential smart features you need. You can program your desired pressure using the plus and minus buttons, and it will automatically shut off when it reaches that exact PSI. It's compact, easy to store in a glove box, and even has a handy LED light for those nighttime or low-light emergencies. The digital gauge is clear and accurate. If you want a simple, effective, and budget-friendly solution that stays in your car permanently, the corded AstroAI is a fantastic and reliable choice. It's a bestseller for a very good reason. Cruising into number 4, we have the DEWALT 20-volt max tire inflator. Now this one is for the tool ecosystem enthusiast. If you're already invested in the DEWALT 20-volt battery platform, this inflator is a no-brainer addition to your collection. It's cordless when you use your DEWALT battery, but it's also incredibly versatile because it can also plug into a standard 12-volt car outlet or even a 110-volt AC wall plug at home. This triple power source flexibility is huge. It's built like a tank with heavy-duty rubber feet to keep it stable, and it features a high-pressure mode with auto shutoff. It's more than just a tire pump. It has high-volume modes for inflating or deflating larger items like air mattresses. It's a powerful, professional-grade inflator that lives up to the DEWALT name. You're paying for that brand reliability and rugged construction. Parking at number 3 is the Fanttik X 10-cross tire inflator. This is where we start to see some serious next-generation innovation. The Fanttik X10 is a fully cordless, all-in-one powerhouse. Its standout feature is a dual-pump system that promises jet-speed inflation. We're talking about filling a car tire in around 42 seconds. It also boasts something called AccuInflate technology for very precise pressure control and has 5 handy preset modes for different items, but it doesn't stop there. This unit also functions as a power bank to charge your devices, a flashlight, and even as a compressor for certain brad nailers. It's the ultimate multitasker for the tech-savvy person who camps, travels, or just loves a gadget that does it all. If you want one compact device to handle inflation and be a general emergency kit hero, the Fanttik X10 is a brilliantly designed option. And now our number 2 pick is the Motor X tire inflator, 2nd generation. This inflator is all about raw speed and massive battery capacity. Motor X claims a large tire inflator speed level and backs it up with a motor that can top up a standard car tire from 30 to 35 PSY in about 30 seconds. Its huge 15,000 milliamp-hour battery can inflate up to 7 car tires on a single charge, and it doubles as a high-speed portable charger for laptops and phones, thanks to 65-watt fast-charging tech. It also features a sleek full-screen touch panel and 4 versatile light modes, including a bright work light and a long-lasting camping light. The package is very complete with lots of accessories. If your top priorities are blistering inflation speed, not worrying about battery life for multiple uses, and having a powerful backup battery pack, the Motor X is a top-tier performance contender. Finally, rolling into our number 1 spot is the Airmoto cordless tire inflator. The Airmoto strikes what many users find is the perfect balance of cordless convenience, compact size, and simple, effective performance. It's one of the most popular cordless models for a reason. It's incredibly user-friendly. Set your pressure with the plus/minus buttons, hit start, and it auto-shuts off. It has a clear LCD screen, a built-in LED flashlight, and a rechargeable battery. It's small enough to truly fit in your glove box and is perfect for cars, motorcycles, and bikes, handling pressures up to a strong 120 psi.